told you, look at the steam coming off the pool. The pool is heated. It's about 90 degrees. And it's really not that cool out here. It's cool, but not cold. Oh no. They drained the pool. I told you it was a little hot. It was steaming. Must be something down inside. So the seafood place here doesn't open up until 3:30 in the afternoon. To where on most of the ships, the seafood shack opens up 11, 12 o'clock. But we're spending $60 of casino money, and we'll show it to you. So we both got crab legs.
He's going to take a picture.
Oh, crab legs.
I think.
We both got shrimp. Peel and eat shrimp. Peel and eat shrimp. I got clam chowder. And Frank got lobster rolls. And then we're still waiting on Terry's.
Oh, maybe he's
2
making
orders
it
of
now.
fish and chips.
And Tina got fish and chips.
Terry got her 2 orders of fish and chips.
Anybody want to taste the lobster roll?
Thank you, guys.
Hey, where are we going?
We're not going. We're already here at dinner. We're going to be Gina and Frank tonight. And we can't say we're hungry because of our seafood fest. But we are going to order something because we want to come and see our favorite waiters.
I just came here for baked Alaska.
Yes.
And soup. That's it.
Yes. Okay.
All right.
Bye-bye.
My first and only appetizer, 2 minestrone soup. Terry got enchiladas. We got no entrees today. None. I got the baked Alaska. Terry got fruit. Never seen a sunset in the Pacific Ocean before.
Last party for most of you, but also it's the last party for our beautiful Clint and MJ, whose last night on board it is, everybody. So we're gonna make this very, very special. Now they came up.
So I'll go, but I know I'll think of you every step of the way.
Hey, where are we going?
We're not going. We're here at the London Marriage Show. It'll be our last show for this cruise, and hopefully it'll be a good one.
I might go to the comedy show later.
Oh, you might. I don't know if I will. We'll see.
Two
We'll see.
comedians, 2.
We might. I might. It's of course how tired I am, but it's been fun, and hope the new red show will be good.
Yep, we took so many videos, our phone is full.
His phone is full, not mine.
Get kissing, go, 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 go. Where you folks from? Where you folks from? Alicia, where you folks from?
Sioux Falls, South Dakota.
Oh, South Dakota! Oh, very... Yeah. Oh, they're gonna do it tonight! Carnival Miracle, did you have fun tonight, everybody?
All right, good evening, late evening.
Very late evening. It's almost midnight.
She's still up.
It's almost tomorrow.
And she's still up. That's the
So,
amazing
we went to
part.
a couple comedy shows. We went to Newlywed. game. It was really funny, and we've been having a good time.
We have.
And
All
I
that.
just won some more money at the casino.
You did.
I did. I won about $30.
I haven't won anything. People that sit next to us at the comedy show, she won 10 grand.
Yeah, she won $2,000 today.
Everybody's won but me.
On a 50-cent bet, too.
Not fair. I haven't won nothing.
But anyway, we
No
had
lie.
a good day.
Yep.
Very good day.
All right, so
We're
this
getting
is
ready to do
it.
our nightcap, which is going to be our chocolate martini. Because, you know why?
Because they're good.
They're so good. And it's our tradition to have one every night before we go to bed.
They're good. And anyway, so we fly out in the morning out of San Francisco back to Tampa. Well, Dallas, then Tampa.
But guess what?
So they're
Not
gonna be a
really
long
good.
day.
I'm really not.
She's not.
Because today, all day, every time I went to Diet Pepsi, now I have the drink coat package. Every time I went to Diet Pepsi, they're out of Diet Pepsi.
Out of Diet Pepsi.
So I have to run to another bar, and they're out of Diet Pepsi.
So then we
I go
come down
another
here
bar,
to the
and they're
Atrium
out
bar.
of Pepsi.
They're out of
So
Diet
then I
Pepsi.
tell Pat, I'm going to get me a Diet Pepsi to take to the room, and guess what? They're
Wrong.
out of Diet Pepsi.
But I know they got water. There's some right next to it.
Yes, but when I get done with this chocolate martini, I'm going to go to guest services, and guess what?
They probably don't care.
Okay, come on.
You
I
gotta
love
do
my
that.
Diet
They gotta
Pepsi.
create no Diet Pepsi.
you
But
know,
anyway.
I love Diet Pepsi, and now I can't get one. Unless
Oh,
I
okay.
want to go. No, there's no other bar open now.
All right, so anyway, we're going to bed. The next one, October 6th on the Paradise. No, she really likes Diet Coke.
Yes, I do. So I'm setting for
This,
Diet
this
Pepsi.
video is way too long.
Okay, all right,
All right.
then. I'll just go there and complain.
There we go. All right. Anyway, good night.
Good night.
Where we're at.
Good morning. We're on the bus going to the airport, and we had to get up like a quarter to 6, so we're still half asleep.
Anyway, so we get on the bus, right? It's like an excursion ticket. And they didn't even look at him. He goes, yeah, you could have just got on the bus. But the day you don't buy them, that's the day that they're going to ask
Our
for.
flight leaves around 11, so we're good.
11:40.
We're good.
11:20, I'm sorry.
Oh, sorry.
11:20.
You're sorry.
So, all right.
Okay.
We'll see you at the airport. No, we won't.